Okay, this is the first lesson on writing code in VEX V5 Pro. We've already set up a project called First Project, and we have the window main.cpp open. This is where most all of your code is going to be written. In the project, there are a few other files. One important one is the RobotConfig, which tells VEX code where all the motors and sensors are plugged in. So that'll be the first thing that we're going to work on. And we will do that using the robot configuration tool. We will first click Add Device. We'll add a controller. And you can change the name of the controller if you want to. I usually don't unless we're using more than one controller. And then we're going to start with a basic drive base that has 4 motors. So we're going to add motors 1, and we'll call it left front. We'll add motor in port 2, and we'll call it left back. And we'll add 2 motors for the right side in 3 and 4, which we'll call right front, no spaces. So we're using camel case where each new word starts with a capital. And the motors on the right side we are going to reverse. And we'll have the last one we'll put in port 4, and we'll call it right back, and we will also reverse it. Now we've created the robot configuration, which will put some comment code here so we can easily read in our main.cpp where all the motors are plugged in. And more importantly though, it will write this robotconfig.cpp file, which says we have a controller named controller1, and it's the primary controller, and we have motors left front, left back, right front, right back, with their information, what port they're plugged into, what the gear ratio is, and if they are reversed. If they are reversed, it will be labeled true. So that has now got us with a basic robot 4-motor drive set up.